Good morning, dear friends. In today's video, I will discuss the new topic that is index number. That means, firstly, I will define what do you mean by index numbers. Then I will discuss the various formulas and explain the illustration with these formulas. So, index number is a statistical measure designed to show changes in a variable or a group of related variables with respect to time. That means changes comes with respect to time, geographical location, or other characteristics such as income, profession, etc. And index number are also known as a barometer of economic activity. That means it is used to determine what are the changes occurring due to the change in time, change in the geographical location. So firstly, I will discuss the simple aggregate method. Simple aggregate method, firstly, price index numbers. Price index number P01 is equal to sigma P1 over P0 into 100. Here P0 or P0 and P1 are the sums of prices for the base period and current period. That means P0 for base and P1 for current. Current period maybe if we are talking about 2021. 2021 taken as the current year and 2020 taken as the base year. So similarly, we can also find the quantity index numbers. Formula is Q01, 0 for base year, 1 for current year. Sigma Q1 over sigma Q0 into 100. Similarly, Q0 and Q1 are the sums of quantities for the base period and current period. That means base period, we can also say the previous period. It can be 2000, it can be 1990, and current period is 2021. Latest we can talk. And now I will discuss the illustrations, simple illustrations, how we have to calculate the price index number by using simple aggregate method that I have discussed in previous sheet. Construct a price index numbers for the year 1990 based on 1985. That means we have to construct the price index 1990 and base year is taken as 1985 from the following data using simple aggregate method. Commodities are given: food, fuel and lighting, clothes, house rent, miscellaneous. Prices of in rupees. 1985 की prices in rupees is given 152, 110, 130, 250, 80. And prices in rupees of 1990 is also given 193, 95, 175, 650 and 50. So this is the statement. Now how we have to solve this illustration? That means commodities we have already written like this as given in the statement: food, fuel and lighting, clothes, house rent, miscellaneous. Because 1995 is the previous year, so we can take it as a P0. It is the prices, so we are taking P0. If it is taken as a quantity, then we will take it as a Q0. So P0 is for 1985 prices, that is 152, 110, 130, 250, 80, and we have added all the terms of P0, and this is the sigma P0 or P0 is equal to 722. I got. Now price in rupees 1990. 1990, this is we can take as the current year. So it is taken as P1, 193, 95, 175, 650, 50. We have added all the terms of P1 and this is the sigma P1 is equal to 1163. Now we have to calculate the price index numbers. So simple aggregate method I have discussed. P01 is equal to sigma P1 over P0 into 100. That is 1163 over 722. This I have got already into 100 is equal to this one. So this is the answer. Now I will explain another illustration of quantity. That is, suppose total production of major oil seeds in India is given below. Using 90, 50, 51 as a base, prepare a simple aggregate index number of oil seed production for 90, 60, 65, 66 and 69, 70. It is the production is given. Production means quantity is given. So oil seeds, groundnut, seasonums, mustard, linseeds, castor seeds, these are the given 90, 50, 51 production 3481, 445, 762, 363 and 103. This is the production of 90, 50, 51. Next is the production of 90, 65, 66. Next is the production of 69, 70. So 3 years we have given production. So we have taken as it, and this is taken, it is already stated that using this as a base year. So we can take this as a Q0 because quantity is given Q0, and we can consider this 90, 65, 61 as a Q1, and then 90, 62, 69 to 70 we can consider it as a Q2. So I have written all these items as given in the statement. So sigma Q0 I got 5158, and sigma Q1 I got 6396, and sigma Q2 I got 7734. So we have to calculate the index number. Firstly, we will calculate the index number for 90, 65 and 66. Then we will calculate the index number for 90, 69 to 70, taking 90, 50, 51 as the base year. So index number for 90, 65, 66 is Q01 because we are talking about the quantity. Q01 is equal to sigma Q1 over Q0 into 100. Q1 is already given. This is a 6396 we have calculated, and Q0 also we have calculated 5158. So I have substituted this values in this formula. So I got 124.0. Similarly, I can also calculate the index number for 90, 69, 70. This I have taken Q02. Q2 over Q0. Q0 is the base year because base year is the same for both the years 90, 65, 66 and 90, 69 to 70. Q2 over Q0 into 100, and Q2 I have got 7734, and Q1 I have Q0 I have got 5158. So I have put all these values in this formula. So I got this answer. So these are the two illustrations based upon simple aggregate method. If the prices are given, then we will take it as a P0 or P1. If quantity is given, then we will take as a Q0 and Q1. Simple how we have to calculate the price index or quantity index by aggregate method. Thank you so much, dear friend. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with others also.